Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage systematic investing with Betterment easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with systematic investing using Betterment, first, visit the Betterment website or open the mobile app. Next, create an account if you haven't already. Fill in the necessary personal information, such as your email address and a secure password. After creating your account, you will need to complete a brief questionnaire. This questionnaire will help Betterment understand your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your responses, Betterment will suggest a customized investment portfolio. Once your portfolio is set, link your bank account to Betterment. This process is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions to securely connect your account. Now, decide how much money you want to invest systematically each month. Systematic investing typically involves setting up a recurring transfer from your bank account to your Betterment account. Go to the funding section of the app or website. Select the option to set up automatic deposits. Choose the frequency of your contributions, such as weekly or monthly. Enter the amount you want to invest each time. Review your choices, making sure everything aligns with your financial goals. Once you are satisfied, confirm and schedule your automatic contributions. Betterment will begin investing your money automatically according to your chosen strategy. You can monitor your investments through the dashboard on the app or website. Regularly check your performance and adjust your contributions as needed. Consider revisiting your goals periodically to ensure you remain on track. Avoid making emotional decisions based on market fluctuations. Utilize Betterment's tools and resources to stay informed about your investment strategy. As you gain confidence, you might consider increasing your contributions or diversifying your investments. With Betterment's systematic approach, you'll be on your way to reaching your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.